Number 1. Bhavani Pathak's Tilla. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in his novels Devi Chandrani and Durgesh Nandini mentioned this maze of tunnels, and ever since then it is one of Durgapur's prime attractions. The place is now a protected monument. It opens in the city center region and goes right up to Damodar River. This well-preserved place is definitely not to be missed. Number 2. Durgapur Barrage. One of the prime attractions of the city, the barrage is built to control the overflowing Damodar River in the monsoons. The barrage also connects Durgapur with Bankura. This is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Durgapur. This structure keeps the flow of river Damodar, notorious as Sorrow of Bengal, in check. The structure and the adjoining bridge offer a breathtaking view of the visitors who arrive at this place. Number 3. Anand Amusement Park. The park was created to have a pleasant eco-friendly atmosphere and to make fun with family and friends. The place is a major tourist attraction in Durgapur. It is a family entertainment park where every age of the family and friends can enjoy. The beautifully decorated park also offers the opportunity to celebrate picnics, birthday parties, anniversaries, theme events and other activities. Number 4. Durgapur Steel Plant. Durgapur Steel Plant is located in Durgapur district of West Bengal. It is one of the ventures under the Steel Authority of India. The massive complex of the plant is an engineering lover's delight, and you can learn a great deal about the nuances of steel production. A number of large-scale operations and equipment are housed in the premises and is a great learning experience for freshers and knowledge seekers alike. Number 5. Dual Park. Dual Park is a charming little hamlet-like area in the suburbs of Durgapur by the river Ajay. Being a tributary of the Ganges, the creek is well fed and quite as beautiful as its mother stream. Perched subtly along the side with its village-turned-resort Dual Park, formerly a lightly wooded forest area rich with the legacies and legends of Ichai Ghosh, it is now a popular tourist spot thanks to the eco-resort. Number 6. Kumaramangalam Park. The park is one of the biggest in the region with musical fountains and boating facilities. Located on Tilok Road in Durgapur, the park has two entrances. One on the huge bronze Ganesha idol welcomes you, while the other has beautiful statues of traditional Indian folk dance. There is even a toy train for kids that might just be operational if you are lucky. Number 7. Ram Mandir. Durgapur is famous for the plethora of temples it has to offer, the most important ones being Ram Mandir in the Bidhan Nagar area. The temple dedicated to Lord Ram sits in the middle of a large garden. It's made of stone-carved walls and is known as the most beautiful temple of Durgapur. Number 8. City Centre. City Centre of Durgapur is a bustling area of the city of Durgapur in the East Indian state of West Bengal. After Chandigarh, it is the second planned city in India. The central area of the town is the Cosmopolitan Arcade with several malls, shopping centres, movie halls, multiplexes and eating joints, and draws local as well as tourists to Durgapur. Number 9. Garh Jungle. The place is meant for the nature lover, but even if you aren't the nature's child, not seeing Garh Jungle will leave you with regrets. It is also known as the Dharmgarh of Raja Surat. It is the same place where the Raja Surat performed Durga Puja under the guidance of Mahamuni Medhas. Number 10. Benachiti. It's a traditional business center that has the feel of a marketplace. The road, about 3 kilometers in length, is lined with traditional shops on both sides. Small merchandise, handicrafts and wholesale items are sold here. The place is slowly expanding with big shops open up quickly. If you are a tourist, it's better to hop onto a bus. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have taken this initiative to promote the tourism in India, and your support motivates us. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and also press the like button. Do tell us in comment section about your visit to these places, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.